What was your favorite?
Well, I don't know. Laura really turned out, you know.
Oh.
But, so I'm very fond of Laura. But Leave It to Heaven was quite a good part.
Oh, I should
that
say.
was me.
Oh, yeah. When you first read that script, the Laura script, did you want the film?
I thought it was a beautiful story, and I thought the dialogue of Clifton Webb reading it was just so stimulating and so wonderfully amusing. But I didn't want her. I thought if Jennifer doesn't want it, she turned it down.
Jennifer Jones.
Jennifer Jones. And I thought it was just a part. It was all a portrait, and it should be a woman that was just so fabulously beautiful that some man could fall in love with the portrait, you know.
Didn't you think you...
No, I still don't. I think it was just a magic picture.
Oh, no.
The
No.
mixture of everything that made it turn out.
Ask David and me.
No, you're very cute.
Huh?
Sensational looking.
Well, it's a good story. It was a good story.
Could have been a song and film and it would have been a hit.